Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Viewers Space. Here I will be discussing various platforms that allow you to earn money online genuinely along with their features, pros, cons, investments and obviously the payment proofs. Most importantly of the ones that I used myself. In case you missed my first video on how to earn money online from Gold, kindly go through the same. I'll be providing the link of that video in the description below. So guys, without wasting any further time, let's get into this video. Here I'll be teaching you how to register yourself with Gold. Actually, there are two ways of registering yourself with Gold. One is directly on their website or on their app, and the second is by using the referral links. I'll be providing the links of the website, app, and the referral link in the description below. Kindly go through those links in order to register yourself with Gold. In case you are registering yourself on the website directly, then you need to open your web browser, go into that URL box and type wap.offiegold.in. Once you search that, you will get a page like this. Here you will be seeing the two options. One is the register and another is login. Login option is for those who have already registered, but for the new users you have to click the register option here. Once you click on that register option, this page will open. Here you will be prompted to enter the details. You need to enter your mobile number, your name, your state, and you need to enter the password. Use the same passwords in both the boxes, that's the create password box and in the confirm password box, and then click on this OTP option here to get an OTP on the mobile number you already gave in the first box above. Once you enter that OTP here, do not forget to mention the referral code here. You can use the referral code that is displayed on the screen, or I will be providing you the referral code in the description below as well. You can use that for the registration purpose. So once all the details are completed, you can click on register now, then agree. Okay. Once this is done, you need to go to the profile section of your account. You will be prompted to set up the payment password. Kindly set that up and click on confirm. Once that is done, go to the member center, click on it. You'll be seeing a lot of options there like normal, VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3 and so on. As you are the beginner, you have to go to the end of the page and click on open normal. Once you do that, you will see three options here. One is the referral code, second is risk disclosure book, and third is the activation amount 10,000 rupees. So it's showing a referral code as the completed because you have already given the referral code displayed on the screen in the registration process. If you forgot to enter that referral code earlier, you need to enter it here. So once it shows completed, go to the risk disclosure book, read, click on that checkbox and then click on agree. So the two options will be showing completed. Now in order to access all the benefits of normal user, you need to activate your account by recharging your wallet by a minimum amount of 10,000 rupees. But in order to facilitate the investment of rupees 300, you need to contact your regional manager or the person whose referral code you used during the registration process. Once your account is approved by the company, you will be allowed to recharge your wallet by a minimum amount of rupees 300. Once that recharge is done, you will be all set up to make your first transaction on Gold. In case you are registering yourself directly from the referral links, you click on that referral link, you will be prompted to enter the details as I showed you earlier, like the name, the phone number, and the state and the password. Only thing, here the referral code will be shown by default. You need not to enter it manually. You need to click on the register now option and then repeat the same process as I showed you earlier. So that will register you with the Gold and you will be allowed to transact. Thank you very much. Hope this helps. In case you will be having any query or doubt, you can let me know by commenting in the comment section. I'll be putting the required links in the description. You can just go there and click on those links to proceed further. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share my video.